Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex and this is all you need to know now. And today we are gonna take you on a tour with the Kissimmee food truck spot we had over here. Wait, food trucks? What is it? What do we call it?
Food trucks?
The food trucks?
Yeah.
The food truck spot over here in Kissimmee, Florida, Orlando. So here we go. We're gonna take you for a nice road trip. Hope you like this video. Please press like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Going forward?
Yeah.
Walking forward.
Wow. Let's go this way. What do you think of all the smells here?
Oh my god, amazing. I want everything already.
What about you? Yeah. Surprisingly, all the smells are freaking amazing over here. Let's continue. I think they set up different. What? No.
Oh my god.
Oh, so this is like the fruit side. Yeah. On which truck we're gonna order? And this is gonna be empanadas?
Alright, we can find that place.
Here we got that. I don't know where to go. There's no empanada. Oh, look at that. Seems shorter than before. Okay guys, we're gonna be in the hunt for some empanadas. Let's go. Hello. Can I have 4 empanadas, 2 cheese and 2 beef? And Sprite? 3 Sprite. So we are here waiting for some empanadas. I ordered 4 empanadas and they cost, hold on, put it out, helicopter. For 4 empanadas and 3 drinks is gonna be $22.87. As you can see right there, $22.87. We're gonna wait for those empanadas and I'll see you later. So, what do you think so far of this? What do you think so far?
Only thing, you know, Florida weather is hot, but it's nice and chill. It's a good place. A lot of choices to eat, hard to pick.
that's good, you know, because there's a lot of variety of foods over here, and I can't even decide what I want. Like those empanadas, I'm assuming is gonna be beyond good because they'll smell, and there's like a huge line there, so that's a good spot where we pick them. It's literally right there. So after a 30-minute wait, we finally got our order, and this is what we got here. Empanada. All right, let's dig in, people. Oh, those look good. I think that's a cheese. Yeah. Give me. Hey. You have tissues?
1, 2, 3, 4. I get 2.
Let me get tissue?
Yeah. Let me get 2.
Go ahead.
I got a beef.
Okay. This. Let's give it a try. Ooh, so hot. Look at all that meat. Oh, that dough is so crunchy and it's actually pretty good. I haven't tasted the meat yet, but let's go for it. Wow, it's nice and savory. I can see why they took their time. It's very savory and good. It's not too greasy.
Nice and crunchy.
How is it?
Nice and crunchy, and has the right amount of cheese.
Good. Is it worth it so far? Is it worth it?
Yeah. Pretty chill.
You like the environment? Pretty fun spot to hang out?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Ready para llevar. Eva te va a la semana entera ready para llevar.
No, that's crazy.
If you get paid on Fridays, yeah. It's this is the month you get paid this time.
So this is the parking lot right here. This is the parking lot right here. I don't know if you can see. There's a lot of cars parked here. Usually gets very busy, but there's a lot of good food over here. I highly recommend to come here to Orlando, Florida, Kissimmee,
OTOWN.
OTOWN. And what's the name again?
OTOWN.
And what do you find here?
Food trucks.
All right, let's go for our journey. Now we're gonna take a little trip to across the street to Fun Spot. Yeah, Fun Spot is across the street from here, and we're gonna take a walk. Actually, we're gonna drive it over there because it's too crowded. So let's stay tuned.